Hey, babe, where are we going?
We're gonna go try to find those whipping cranes.
Why? Today's what?
Today's Whipping Crane Festival Day.
Starting the Whipping Crane Festival Day here in Rockport. And
Yeah.
we're gonna go check it out. They say that you don't have to pay. You can pay, but people at the front office said we could just go look ourselves.
Yeah, if you want to, for $25, I know everybody wants to do this, you could actually get on a boat and go on a tour of all the birds. And you could go out to the bird little sanctuaries and you could take your binoculars and you could watch all the birds. Chris said no, he was not going to do that.
And babe, how long is that tour?
4 hours.
4.5 hours.
Can you imagine being on there for 4 hours? You would die.
Ain't gonna happen.
You would die. Yeah. Run away with us. Let's go see those whipping cranes.
Fighting over little guts there. Guys trimming some fish up. These guys are fighting over it.
Oh, the big one won.
Eddie?
Do you have buddies or what? You have a few friends? Oh my goodness. How awesome. What's that hanging off of him? Oh, he's got that piece of fish. Look at him.
They're just patiently waiting, aren't they?
Oh, you can touch him and everything, huh? Oh, there it is. Get it.
Did you get it?
Oh, that passed 4 of them. Look at
Seagulls don't have much
chance.
sense.
Look at big guy. Look at, oh. They're so good to you. They're not, they're just waiting.
Okay, so we're at a pond over here by the big tree, and apparently we've been told that that's the whipping cranes. I know you can't see them, but that's them way up there.
Maybe we can talk to Stacy and she can teach us how to zoom.
Gray and black. There's like pink and white ones over there. Pretty cool. Hey babe, what'd you think of the whooping cranes?
I couldn't really see them.
They're kind of too far away, I know.
I don't know if that was really them. I'm thinking it was. There was a white ball, bunch of them out there, and they had pink on them. They looked really pretty. If that's what that was, it was just, they were all laying down, so I didn't know.
Must have been. There was a ton of cars out there, and people with big old high-powered cameras.
Yeah, there was a lot of cameras out there.
Some cameras with the zoom lens on, as big, long as my arm.
Yes.
I think that's what it was.
But we also saw some kind of grayish looking ones that were super tall and had the big long necks, and it looked like they were whooping cranes.
Yeah, and those were the only ones we could really see. Hi, babe. What'd you think of Goose Island?
I love it. It was okay. I'm not a big birder like a lot of people are. I do love birds, and I do like looking at them, but I don't spend hours and hours and hours doing it.
So you didn't want to go the 4.5 hour boat ride? Well, if you liked our video, you know what to do.
Press like.
And then if you want to share it,
and click subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks y'all for watching. Appreciate it.
Wait a minute. You got to hit the notification.
For what? Oh, you got to hit the little bell for notifications if you want to be notified that we're got another video out there. Thanks again. See you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.